Now that you know the basics of using your printer on the Managed Print System network, let's take a look at a few basic maintenance tips that you can do yourself. The touchscreen display will alert you when toner needs to be replaced. Keep in mind that you can still scan documents even when the toner is low, but you cannot print or copy until the low toner has been replaced. Toner replacement is performed with the power on. To replace toner, fold down the front panel. Pull out the toner cartridge that needs replacement. Do not shake the toner cartridge or residual toner may scatter. Remove the new toner cartridge from the box and insert it into the slot. To ensure that the correct color is inserted into the correct slot, each slot is labeled with the color and each toner cartridge has a label that matches the toner slot. Our vendor remotely monitors these toner levels and will automatically ship the needed cartridge to a person who has been designated as the Area Key Operator.
Your Area Key Operator will be listed on a sticker that will soon be applied to the front panel of your printer. It will contain the person's name, contact information, and the services offered by that person, as well as the name of a backup Area Key Operator.
Your Area Key Operator is also tasked with recycling the used cartridges, so please do not throw them away. Return the used cartridge to your Area Key Operator. If your printer is the tabletop model, you will have one paper drawer located at the base of the front. The full-size standing model will have 4 paper drawers, each of which can hold different paper sizes or types. Loading paper is very simple. Open the drawer by pulling it toward you. Drop in the appropriate size paper and adjust the top and side paper guides so that they fit snugly against the paper. One of the most common causes of paper jams is incorrect setting of paper guides. When loading paper, make sure to set the paper guides properly. If you do have a paper jam, the front panel display will tell you there is a jam and will show you where the jam is located. Check the paper path on the display to identify the area of the jam. Then check that area for a paper jam. Note that this part, called the fuser, gets hot during use. If there's a paper jam near the fuser and it's very hot, you may need to wait 15 to 20 minutes for the fuser to cool down. Please use only your hands to remove jam paper. Never use tools or sharp objects. These instructions apply only to the full-size standing model. The desktop model does not have built-in stapling. The staples are stored in a part of the printer called the finisher. It's located just below and to the left of the display screen. To open it, pull the release handle to the left and the finisher will slide out as shown here. The staples are inside this small container with the green cover. Pull up on this gray handle and slide it out to the right. Remove the staple cartridge from the holder by pressing down on this clear plastic lever with your forefinger and simultaneously grasping the sides and pulling it out toward you and out of the holder. To insert the new staples, simply reverse the procedure by dropping the staple cartridge into the holder and pressing down until you hear a click. Then, reinsert the holder into the finisher and close the finisher by sliding it to the right. By performing these simple tasks yourself, you can save money and prevent unnecessary service calls from our vendor.
If you need further assistance, please contact your Area Key Operator.